Hello and welcome to another crochet tutorial. So today we will be learning how to make this washcloth, and this is fig doubling in washcloth pattern. It will be published on my blog in the next few days. So this is again one of the YouTube exclusive patterns. So this is a similar stitch pattern that I used for the Jamie baby blanket. I'm going to link that in the description below. This is a very simple modification of the classic beloved linen or moss stitch. So we'll insert the hook into the second chain from the hook, so that's 1 and 2, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through 2, and you'll go into the next chain and next, and all the way across you will work single crochet into the last stitch as well. We will then turn our work around and chain 1. As I mentioned, this doesn't count as a stitch. For row number 2, we'll then start by working a single crochet into the first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. We will then chain 1, skip the next stitch and work a single crochet into the following stitch, chain 1, skip the next stitch, work a single crochet into the following stitch. We'll repeat this across the row, ending with a single crochet into the last stitch. For row number 3, we will chain 1, work single crochet into the first stitch. We will then chain 1, skip the next chain space, work a single crochet into the next single crochet, chain 1, skip the next chain space, work single crochet into the next single crochet, and repeat the stitch pattern across the row, ending with a single crochet in the last stitch. For row number 4, we'll again start by chaining 1, work a single crochet in the first stitch. We will then work a single crochet into the 2 chain spaces below, so the first chain space that we've created, so that's here. So what we need to do is go into the chain space, yarn over, pull up a loop, and we pull the loop up, yarn over, pull through 2. We will then chain 1, skip the single crochet, and work another single crochet into the chain space 2 rows below, chain 1, skip the next single crochet, work single crochet into the chain space 2 rows below, and repeat across the row, ending with a single crochet in the last stitch. For row number 5, we first need to turn our work around, chain 1, single crochet in the first stitch, single crochet in the pulled stitch that was worked into the space 2 rows below, we'll then chain 1, skip the chain space, single crochet into the next pulled single crochet, chain 1, and so on across the row. For row number 6, again we will turn the work around first. You will chain 1, work single crochet in the first stitch. We will then chain 1, skip the next single crochet, work the pulled single crochet into the chain space 2 rows below, chain 1, skip the next single crochet, work pulled stitch into the chain space 2 rows below, and so on across the row. Ending with a single crochet into the last stitch. You will then turn your work around again, and you will start repeating the basic row pattern and stitch pattern. So For rows 7 to 34, you will repeat rows 3 to 6, and you will then fasten off your work. For my washcloth, I've also added a border of 2 rows of single crochet, working 3 single crochet stitches into the corner stitches, so that gives it a nice finished look. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial useful. As always, please let me know in the comment section below. Have you tried these different modifications of the linen stitch? What yarn is your favorite yarn for washcloths? And as always, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you and bye bye.